Hi students, good morning. Welcome to another session of Be Inspired. So in today's class we are just going to learn about different types of lines. Okay students, so before starting the class, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and there is a bell icon over here, so please hit this bell icon, and if you hit this bell icon you'll never miss my updates. Okay students, so now without getting late we'll start our class. So what is the next thing we are going to learn here? Nothing but polygons. So look at these figures. Can you able to observe anything here? Yes, very good observation students. So all these pictures are formed by only line segments. Okay, all the pictures are formed by only line segments. So all these polygons are nothing but pictures which are now going to form with the help of line segments. What he is saying here, we'll see. What can you say about them? Are they closed? Yes. How does each of them differ from one another? All are different from 1, 2, 3 and 4 are different from 5 because they are made up of definite number of line segments. They are called polygons. So a figure is a polygon if it is simple closed figure made up of definite number of line segments. Draw 10 polygons of different shapes. So we are going to draw 10 polygons of different shapes. Now we will see all those polygons, students. So students, now coming to the different types of polygons here. So what are the different types of polygons? See, here you have 1, 2, 3. Three line segments are formed and that too it is closed. So this polygon name is triangle. So what do you understand? If you want to form a polygon, it should have minimum of 3 line segments. More than 3 line segments, if a picture is going to form, then you can say it is also called a polygon. So with minimum 3 line segments should be there to form a polygon. So that is the reason the first picture is triangle formed with 3 line segments. And now coming to the next picture, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line segments, but here we given a different name. It is like rectangle, but here we given a name as quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral. In this, quad is nothing but you are going to quad means 4. And lateral is nothing but sides. Okay, quad means 4 and lateral means sides. Means here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So a picture with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Okay, so what are the different quadrilaterals we have? Of course we know square, rectangle, but there are so many quadrilaterals that we will see afterwards. First we will complete all the polygons and then we will see what are the different quadrilaterals we have. Okay, coming to this pentagon. What is this called? Pentagon. Pentagon, in this the word pentagon means P-E-N-T-A. Penta means 5, gon means sides. Yes, lateral is also a Greek word called sides and gon is also a Greek word called Latin word called sides. So here you have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you remember that in your textbook with the 5 dots we have one, where by joining all the 5 dots we got this picture. At the time we don't know the name, so that is the reason we didn't read it. Okay, so with 5 sides the shape is called pentagon, and with 6 sides, hexa means 6. Okay, so see here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagon is nothing but your 6-sided shape. And here hepta. Hepta means 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7-sided shapes is called heptagon and 8-sided shape is called octagon. What is this 8-sided shape? Octagon. Octa means 8. And nonagon. Nona means 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a shape formed with 9 segments, 9 line segments, then it is called nonagon. And decagon here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deca means 10. Okay. Now what is this down one? Regular polygons. See here he given 3-sided is called triangle, 4-sided is called quadrilateral, 5-sided is called pentagon. Five sides is called pentagon, 6 sides is called hexagon, 7 sides is called heptagon, 8 sides is called octagon, 9 sides is called enagon, not nanogon, 10 sides is called decagon, 11 sides is called hendecagon, 12 sides is called dodecagon. Yes, so main thing is these are the main polygons we have to. So one more time I'll just say, and this we can stop this. So line segments formed with 3 line segment shape, simple closed figure formed with 3 line segments is called triangle. Simple closed figure formed with 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. I already said no, quad means 4. In this tri means 3. Angle means 3. Angle means, of course you all know that. That also we are going to learn in the next classes. So first we will try to complete this. And 5-sided shapes is called pentagon. See students, please you should remember these names. 6-sided shapes is called hexagon. 7-sided shape is called heptagon. 8-sided shape is called octagon. 9-sided shape is called nanogon, and 10-sided shape is called decagon. Okay. So students, now you saw what are the different polygons we have. Now we will see what is this. A figure is a simple, okay, this is already definition over. Boundary wall of a park divides the plane into 3 parts, that is inside the park, boundary wall, and outside the park. Okay, so you can't enter the park without crossing the boundary. Likewise, a closed figure separates the plane into 3 parts, that is inside, boundary, and outside. Okay, so here he is saying here one thing. What is the he is saying here is, if you want to enter into the park, what will happen? A park will have boundary, inside and outside. So for any plane figure, all these 3 parts will have. Without touching the boundary, you can't enter, you can't touch the park. That's what this figure is explaining. Now what is exercise 4.2? Take the figures which are simple curves. Among these figures which are simple curves, those pictures you should tick. State, because this third one is open and it is not closed, and this is also open. Okay, so he's just asked simple curves only, no? He didn't ask either closed or open. So all are simple curves only except the first one and fourth one. Why the first one and fourth one is wrong? Because these belongs to polygons, they are not simple curves. Why I am saying these two are polygons? Because they are not curves, they are formed with line segments. That is the reason we are calling this one as polygons. Okay. Now second question students, state which curves are open and which are closed. Of course you can easily understand that which is open and which is closed. This is open, this is closed, this is closed, this is open, and this is also closed. Name the points that lie in the interior, on the boundary, and in the exterior. Okay, he is asking very clearly. Interior is nothing but you can easily understand this I, A, G, E, B, R belongs to interior. On the boundary is C, K, F. And exterior is very clear, that is D, J. Now fourth question, draw three simple closed figures by straight lines. Straight lines means we just now saw polygons. Three simple closed figures, triangle, rectangle and square. Sorry, square and rectangle. Straight lines as well as curved lines both. So like this we can draw. We can draw this one only. So like that we have to draw three. Okay, like this I will draw. Okay. Okay students, today we completed this second 4.2 exercise also. Now in this class we learned that what is interior, exterior and on the boundary. And then what is the next thing we learned? What are the different kinds of polygons we have based on the sides? That also we completed. So, and we completed exercise 4.2. What is simple curve and what is a closed curve? Okay students, meet you in next class.